Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are checking out these color changing lights. So let's get unboxing and then let's show you guys what they look like. So guys, in the package, this is what they give you. So the light bulbs are extremely big, as you guys can see. And the cable and everything is pretty big. So basically what you have is you have these big light bulbs, and then inside the tubing here, it looks like there's little LEDs inside. So that gives you lights all throughout. It does need to be plugged in, so you probably will need an extension cable for running this if you're running it outside. We're gonna go ahead and set it up, but they give you 2 extra bulbs. So the bulbs are interchangeable and replaceable. The bulbs are plastic and they give you an extra cable. It looks like maybe you can extend this and add more to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. Alright guys, so these are the lights. So as you guys can see, pretty cool. So if we go up closer, definitely really cool. LEDs in each one.